How to make your Instagram account personal. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make your Instagram account personal. So to switch your professional account to your personal account is very simple. First of all, to begin with, update your application. For that, you need to go to your Play Store, and once you open up a Play Store, on the search box type in Instagram. So after you type in Instagram, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. After the app is completely updated, click the open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right. After that, you'll need to go ahead and tap the tab bar icon. Once you do that, a drop down menu appears. From the list, go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. So now what you'll have to do is you need to scroll down a bit, and if you have a professional account, then you'll be able to find this option as for professional. Under it, click on creator tools and control. After you've done that, scroll down right to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option as switch account type. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll need to go ahead and tap the personal account. Once you do that, there will be some sort of confirmation, so go through it and tap on switch to personal account. Once you do that, your professional account will be deleted. So in this way you can make your Instagram account personal. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.